someone looking to furnish your house or renovate your house, and then the first thing you do is go on Google and type interior design, what pops up is a company called Livspace. Yes, Livspace is valued at $500 million. This company that an interior design company that probably makes wardrobes and furniture is valued at $500 million. Why exactly? So let's find out. I'm Vidushi and I'm going to tell you a few whys and hows about Livspace and whether is it actually a good option to get your home furnished by Livspace. How does it work out to be? And is it actually advantageous to interior designers? Let's find out. Livspace is an end-to-end home decor and furnishing platform that brings together homeowners, interior designers and vendors. Using technology and streamlining the entire process, they are able to cater to about 5,000 to 6,000 homes a year, which translates to about $100 million in revenue. To give you some perspective, an experienced interior designer or a well-known firm would do around 15 to 20 projects a year, while Livspace does around 500 homes per month itself. Earlier this year, Livspace announced that it would receive a substantial funding from the Inca Group, which is the strategic partner of IKEA. For those who don't know what IKEA is, it is the go-to brand in the home decor and furnishing space. So this kind of proves that why Livspace is valued at such a high amount, and what they are doing is something right, because for an investor like IKEA to invest in Livspace is a big deal. One more thing for homeowners to keep in mind is that while Livspace may wrap up your project at a good speed, there are a few things that you should be mindful about. The customer satisfaction as of Google reviews is not that great. 2 out of 5 customers are dissatisfied with the quality of work provided by Livspace, the local vendors that are being appointed, and the handling fees which is charged, where the supervisor is not even aware of what is happening on the site. And because of the scale of operations and and such a big organization, there's a good amount of bureaucracy involved. Even to hammer a small nail, they take around 50 rupees per nail. So, that would be easily done by a normal laborer and he wouldn't charge anything. So, those are a few things that you should be mindful about. If you're an interior designer, Livspace is a good start to your career. It may help boost your sales initially, and you can get a lot of networking and references through Livspace. But if you're experienced and you think that you can earn a little more than what Livspace would give, I suggest that you should start on your own. However, there is sufficient proof that Livspace has helped interior designers double their revenue and income. So what does the future hold for Livspace as a company? Livspace has grown about 500% in the last 24 months, and their net profit margin has increased from 18 to 40%. That is massive. However, in the last 1 year, it has also doubled its losses owing to the increase in employee benefit expenses and marketing costs. The cutthroat competition in this market adds to its misery. Home Lane, which is Livspace's biggest competitor, has just raised 30 million in its recent funding, and it plans to expand its services to 10 new cities. So if you're looking to furnish your house, you might as well check Home Lane too. And as a consumer, you should be happy. Livspace might be even willing to give you a few discounts if you kind of tell them that you might go to Home Lane. All in all, the furniture and the home decor market in India is booming, and especially the online segment of it. You as a homeowner can take advantage of this kind of service provided to you at the click of the mouse. You don't have to look for any home design. You don't have to run behind them to get your home furnished. And all of this can happen at a reasonable cost. So there you have it. Everything that you need to know about Livspace, why it's become so huge, and whether you as a homeowner must try it out or not. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.